So we got a guy coming this afternoon. He's going to install what they call a floating vanity for this bathroom. He's basically, they're taking a kitchen cabinet that matches what we have in the kitchen, and they're going to it'll be elevated off the floor and mounted to the wall. So this is our last sink in the house. We have been without a kitchen sink for 10 days, and the other bathroom has been gutted for 5 years. So I'm going to see if I can pull this vanity out of here, set it up in the other bathroom, and just put a bucket under it, and that'll be our temporary kind of a camp sink for about another couple of days. So in order to get this vanity out of here through this door, I don't know how they got this thing in here. Well, they probably did it in pieces. I got to cut right along here, trim this off about an inch, long in here. That way I can get this thing out of here. I'll do that with my Sawzall there. So in the hall bathroom, we had one of the kitchen cabinets installed off the floor, raised off the floor to make a floating vanity. And then we had the same granite installed. So got a nice little kitchen and a nice vanity in our hall bathroom there.